Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To be honest, I am really excited to have you all here. Let me just first quickly tell you why I created this channel and what it is all about. So to begin with, if you are new to Islam or wanting to learn more or just looking to strengthen your faith, this channel has got your back. I am here to help you embrace and live your faith with confidence and joy. I know reverting to Islam is a very big deal, and I totally get that it can feel overwhelming. But trust me, don't worry at all. I'm here to make this transition easier and more rewarding, inshallah. On this channel, we will be diving into the basics of Islam, Hadiths, du'as, Quranic verses, and practical tips for daily life, like how to pray and get involved in your community. As you all probably know, reverting to Islam isn't just about your own journey, it's about joining a global community of believers. So, here you will find a friendly and supportive space, inshallah. I know the journey can be a mix of excitement and challenges, but my goal is to make this a place where we can all learn and grow together. Trust me, you all, every step you take in understanding and practicing Islam is a step towards a more fulfilling and spiritually enriching life. I am here to walk this path with you, offering support, knowledge, and inspiration along the way. So, what's on the agenda for a word like? Let's break it down a little bit. I'll share a bit about my own journey. Even though I was a born Muslim and I had my own moments of searching for the right path, but eventually I find the peace and belonging I was looking for. And I want to help you find yours too. I hope that by sharing my experiences, you will feel more supported and less alone. We will dive into the beautiful sayings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which we call Hadiths, and see how they can guide us in everyday life. Du'as or supplications, as you can say, are a powerful way to connect with Allah. We will learn some simple du'as for daily use and what they really mean. Believe me on this. Learning du'as can bring so much peace and guidance into our lives. It's truly a beautiful practice. We will also reflect on verses from the Holy Quran, look at their context, meaning, and how they can guide us in our lives. We'll also chat about how values like faith, good deeds, truth, and patience can be put into practice in our daily lives. I'll share tips on incorporating Islamic practices into our daily routine, like keeping up with the prayers and understanding halal food. We'll also talk about getting involved in your local community, like joining a mosque or an Islamic study group. Today, mark my words, living a life that reflects Islamic values can bring so much peace, purpose, and fulfillment into your life. And I am here to support you all the way. Feel free to drop comments, ask questions, and share your experiences. We will have Q&A session and community chats to cover your concern. And I'll inshallah offer personalized guidance wherever or whenever needed. Your engagement helps us build a great community together. I'll be uploading new videos that are easy to follow and meant to deepen your understanding of Islam, inshallah. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all the new content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's start this amazing journey of faith and enlightenment together. If you are excited about this journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button. May Allah guide us and bless us all. Ameen. And I will see you next time.